100% confirmed. Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history. Hey there, friend. Welcome back to the channel. Or if this is your first time hanging out with me, a massive hello and welcome. I'm absolutely buzzing to talk about something truly exciting today. You know how we always chat about making the most of our finances, squeezing every last drop of value out of our credit cards, right? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into something huge, the Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history. Yes, you heard that right. The Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history is officially here, and trust me, it's a game changer. Before we dive in, if advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you to me for bringing you this valuable information. Now let's continue. Now, if you're like me, you've probably heard whispers, maybe even seen a few leaked details floating around the internet. But today, we're going to cut through all the noise and get down to the nitty-gritty of this Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history. We're talking about what's new, what's improved, and most importantly, whether this iconic travel and lifestyle card is still the king of the hill for folks like us. Viewers in the US, UK, and Canada who appreciate premium perks and travel rewards. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's explore everything you need to know about the Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single detail because this could seriously impact your wallet and your travel experiences for the better. What exactly is this biggest refresh? Okay, so when we say biggest refresh, what exactly are we talking about? It's not just a minor tweak here and there, folks. This is a significant overhaul of the Amex Platinum Card, touching on several key aspects that make this card so sought after. We're talking about changes to the welcome bonus, and boy, is it tempting. We're looking at new and enhanced benefits that could genuinely streamline your travel and elevate your everyday life. And yes, we're also going to touch on any potential changes to the annual fee because, let's be real, that's always a big factor, isn't it? Think of it like this. The Amex Platinum Card was already a premium offering, but now, with this Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history, it's like they've taken a luxury car and added a whole new suite of top-of-the-line features. We're talking about the kind of upgrades that make you sit up and say, wow, now that's interesting. Diving deep into the new welcome bonus. Let's start with the part that often gets everyone's attention, the welcome bonus. And with this Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history, American Express has really stepped up their game. While the exact numbers can vary slightly depending on the offer you find, we're seeing some incredibly generous opportunities to rack up a significant amount of membership rewards points just for signing up and meeting a spending requirement within the first few months. Now, why is this so exciting? Well, membership rewards points are like gold in the world of travel. You can redeem them for flights, hotels, upgrades, gift cards, or even transfer them to a wide range of airline and hotel partners. Imagine the possibilities. That dream vacation you've been planning? This Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history could be your ticket to getting there faster and with more luxury. But remember, folks, it's not just about the big number. It's also about understanding the terms and conditions. We'll break down typical spending requirements and make sure you know exactly what you need to do to snag this fantastic welcome offer that comes with the Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history. Unpacking the new and enhanced benefits. Okay, the welcome bonus is fantastic, but the real long-term value of a premium card like the Amex Platinum Card lies in its ongoing benefits. And this Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history is packed with some seriously impressive new and improved perks. For the travel enthusiasts among us, and I know there are many of you, we're seeing enhancements to things like airport lounge access. The Amex Platinum Card already offered access to the Centurion Lounges, Priority Pass Select, and Delta Sky Clubs when flying Delta. But with this refresh, we might be seeing expansions to these networks or even new lounge partnerships. Imagine relaxing in a comfortable, amenity-filled lounge before your flight, all thanks to your Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history benefits. But it doesn't stop there. We're also seeing potential upgrades to travel insurance benefits, like trip cancellation and interruption coverage, baggage insurance, and car rental insurance. These are the kinds of benefits you hope you never need to use, but when things go wrong, they can be an absolute lifesaver. And with the Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history, you can travel with even greater peace of mind. Beyond travel, the Amex Platinum Card is also known for its lifestyle perks. Think about things like statement credits for various services, perhaps streaming services, dining, or even retail purchases. The Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history is likely to introduce new statement credit categories or increase the amounts you can receive, effectively offsetting some of the annual fee. We might also see new partnerships with luxury hotels and resorts, offering cardholders exclusive benefits like room upgrades, complimentary breakfast, and late checkout. These perks can truly elevate your travel experience and make you feel like a VIP, all thanks to the Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history. And let's not forget about the potential for enhanced rewards on everyday spending categories. While the Amex Platinum Card traditionally shines on travel purchases, this refresh could introduce bonus rewards on other categories that are relevant to our daily lives. The annual fee. What to expect with the refresh? Now let's address the elephant in the room, the annual fee. Premium cards like the Amex Platinum Card come with a significant annual fee, and it's natural to wonder if this Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history will bring any changes to that. It's highly likely that with all these new and enhanced benefits, we might see a slight increase in the annual fee. However, the key question is whether the added value outweighs that increase. Based on what we're seeing with the Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history, it seems like American Express is aiming to provide so much value through these new perks that the annual fee becomes more justifiable for those who can fully utilize the card's benefits. Think about it. If the new statement credits and travel perks save you more money and provide a better experience than the increase in the annual fee, then it's still a win-win situation, right? We'll need to carefully analyze all the changes to determine the true cost-benefit analysis of this Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history. Is the Amex Platinum Card still right for you? So, with all these exciting changes brought by the Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history, the big question remains: is this card still the right choice for you? The answer, as always, depends on your individual spending habits, travel patterns, and lifestyle. If you're someone who travels frequently, appreciates premium experiences, and can take advantage of the various statement credits and benefits, then the Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history could be an incredibly valuable tool in your financial arsenal. The enhanced lounge access, travel insurance, and potential hotel perks can significantly improve your trips. The new statement credits can help offset the annual fee by providing value on services you might already be using. And the generous welcome bonus can give you a significant head start in accumulating valuable membership rewards points. However, if you're someone who doesn't travel often or wouldn't utilize the premium benefits, then the annual fee might be harder to justify, even with this impressive Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history. It's crucial to take a close look at your own spending and travel habits and compare them to the benefits offered by the refreshed card. Do the new perks align with your lifestyle? Can you realistically take advantage of the statement credits? If the answer to these questions is yes, then the Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history could be a fantastic upgrade. How to make the most of the refresh. If you decide that the refreshed Amex Platinum Card is right for you, here are a few tips on how to make the most of the Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history. Understand the new benefits. Take the time to thoroughly review all the new and enhanced benefits. Make a list of the perks that are most valuable to you and make a plan to utilize them. Track your statement credits. Pay close attention to the categories and amounts for the new statement credits. Set reminders to ensure you take advantage of these valuable savings. Explore the lounge network. Familiarize yourself with the expanded lounge access options. Knowing where the participating lounges are located can make your travel days much more comfortable. Consider the welcome bonus strategy. If you're applying for the card to take advantage of the welcome bonus, have a clear plan to meet the spending requirement within the specified time frame without overspending. Leverage hotel and rental car benefits. If you travel frequently, explore the new partnerships with hotels and rental car companies. These benefits can often provide significant savings and enhanced experiences. Final thoughts on the Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history. Well, there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history. It's clear that American Express has made some significant changes aimed at enhancing the value proposition of this iconic card. From a potentially massive welcome bonus to exciting new travel and lifestyle benefits, this refresh looks incredibly promising for those who can take full advantage of what the Amex Platinum Card has to offer. Remember, the key is to assess whether these changes align with your own needs and spending habits. But if you're a frequent traveler who appreciates premium perks and can utilize the various benefits, the Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history could be a game changer. So, what are your thoughts on the Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history? Are you excited about the new benefits? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinions. And if you found this video helpful and want to stay up to date on all the latest credit card news, travel tips, and ways to maximize your finances, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with anyone who might be interested in the Amex Platinum Card biggest refresh in history. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you in the next one. Safe travels and happy spending.